Is your Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote blinking or flashing a red LED? Well, it turns out it's pretty common. A lot of people are facing this right now. So let's go through 2 simple fixes to get rid of it. First, check the most common cause, low battery. If you have spare batteries, just remove the old ones from your Fire TV Stick remote and insert a fresh pair of AAA alkaline batteries, we recommend, and then check if the blinking now stops. If the issue continues, move into the built-in diagnostic mode. Press and hold the rewind and this right navigation buttons together for about 3 seconds, and then tap the menu button. After that, press literally any button on the remote and observe the response to identify the issue. A blue flash means it's working normally. Red flash means low battery, which we've already solved. Another reason of the red flash points to a reset requirement. So let's reset the remote. So for that, let's unplug your Fire TV Stick from the TV first, then press and hold the menu, back, and left buttons together for about 12 to 15 seconds. After that, remove the batteries from the remote and insert them again. Now, let's go ahead and plug the Fire TV Stick back in. Once it powers up, press and hold the home button on the remote until it starts flashing yellow LED. The light will turn off and it will automatically get reconnected to your TV stick. You'll also get to see a pop-up that the remote is now connected to your TV stick. And hopefully it's now connected and you got rid of the red flashing LED. Thanks and take care.